Look, this your ranch, girl.
Thank you. Hey guys, it's me, Reka, and thanks for rolling with me. Today
You're such a goof nugget.
Today I have my friend Kai, and we got us some Louis burgers. Okay. So, say hi, Kai.
Hey.
Okay. So, is you rolling? Hey, is you rolling? Hey, subscribe, please. Subscribe, please. We gonna eat up. We gonna drink up. Because we geeked up. Hey. Hey. All right,
what was that? I don't know.
I just threw that in there real fast because please subscribe to my channel and make sure you like and comment. I'm going to try to comment back. I'm not that good with commenting back, but I'm going to get it together. So, we having our little, some Louis, like I said.
It's the last supper for me.
I got a BLT.
Oh, child.
This place put pickles on their BLT. It's rather delicious. And Kai got a PattyMelt. Oh, put it up close, girl. Put it up.
Look at that. It got the bacon. It's on rye. Oh God.
Well, hold on. It would look so
God. Good. It's gonna be, and they put the spread on it. Oh my God.
Give them a bite.
I wish you guys could experience
the sun.
The sun is just. There you go. Now y'all can see the good.
The angels of heaven is shining. It's shining down on that, okay?
Oh my Lord in heaven.
So I'm gonna start with the big side because I'm really like that, and I like to put a little ranch on my BLTs, like putting ranch on my salad, you know. We got some peppers.
Almost forgot about that.
That looks like an In-N-Out. What is it called? An In-N-Out animal style fry with the grilled onions.
That's what I was going for.
And spread pepper juice on my BLT. Louis Burger got some good bacon, okay?
Yeah, it's so real.
It's so refreshing. Here, let me give you a bite. It's kind of juicy. Oh, y'all can't see it. Thanks. Even though it seems like it's not that much bacon on here, their bacon is so rich.
It's thick.
It's thick bacon. It's bacon. It's like real bacon. Do y'all see this?
That's serious.
The
right
heavens
there.
up above is shining down on this. People like, I don't eat pork. How could you not?
Talking about the lips that touch swine do not touch mine. What you mean? That's not right.
Not at all. How few fries? I can't reach them though.
Oh, they can't reach the fry. Oh Lord, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh well, let me show them the fries real fast.
The fries are amazing. They're extra thick fries.
Okay.
Yum yum dim sum. I'm gonna just
Let me get
help yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mas.
Oh sure. More carbs. Why not?
I mean, you're already there.
We're already there. Might as well make it do what it do. Add some more ranch to this. Make it do what it do. Do you put ranch on your burger? Okay. I'm a ranch type of girl, especially from these burger sticks and stuff.
I'm an addict. Hi, my name is Kai, and I'm a ranch addict. Raya's my ex-girlfriend. Raya has told me stories about the level of anger that has happened about my ranch not being in the fucking bag. Like, I need my ranch. Don't do that. Don't make me Don't make me that person. Not having my ranch and not having my cheese will have me really upset.
If you order a cheeseburger and they forget the cheese.
You had one job. One yab.
Do you ever modify your burgers? Like besides bacon, but like, is it no onions? No pickles?
I like grilled onions. And I like raw onions, depending on where I get the burger from. Because I feel some people feel a way about a raw onion. I kind of like it. These onions make everything taste good.
Right, I happen to enjoy onions. They add more flavor. A little bit of spice, like, you know. Salad with onion. Bomb.
That's definitely how you jazz a salad up. Yeah, I'm saying bye to bread tomorrow. So all these carbs are like something I would not eat on a regular basis. But I'm enjoying it today though.
It's really tasty today. I need to stop with the carbs too, but they're so delicious.
They're so delicious. You ever wonder, like, why do all the good things? All of white things are bad for you, if you really think about it. Ranch, sour cream, white bread, white sugar, all those things are bad. So amazing.
I can only imagine, girl.
This is so bomb. That was just one half, y'all. That was half of my milk.
That was so good. The bacon.
That's really what's setting us off right now. The bacon is the star.
Sorry, the sun is setting, y'all. So.
Another like fat girl omission. I hate when my cheese gets stuck on my paper. Like, I get mad in a different way. It's like that was supposed to be on my burger. Look at all this cheese. Like, this hurts my feelings.
I'll be eating it right off.
It's like a lot of cheese there.
That cheese will be getting right off of there. Bit off. I probably wouldn't do it on camera though.
No. I don't need your judgment, people.
I low-key forgot we were recording. I haven't looked up in a while. I'm putting together this other half, okay? I already put ranch on it, y'all. I'm sorry. Thanks for rolling with me. Because I completely forgot for a second. How are y'all doing? And what are y'all eating? Are y'all eating anything? So,
no, they're not eating nothing this good.
Oh, you don't think so?
No,
Try to find y'all something this good.
Oh, it's so good. It's like a grilled cheese burger with bacon. It's grilled cheese on steroids. Yeah.
With grilled onions. Spread. I don't know. I don't think I like rye bread, so.
You don't like rye?
I don't say like nutty or something. Like herby. It's aromatic. I don't know if it's aromatic, but.
That's a really nice Lincoln. Is it wrong to say she looked like the Gabrielle girl? You know what I'm talking about? She did.
Right.
I thought that was the Gabrielle girl, but you know, she just.
The truck looked really luxurious.
I'm saying, but you know, she just got engaged to this this white guy.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That they look just alike. When I was looking,
I thought it was you, girl. Gabrielle. At least I call her by name, because I'm so tired of hearing people say
Precious.
It's just rude.
Right.
Lady's name is Gabrielle. Can't recall your last name at the moment, but y'all know who I'm talking about.
This is so good.
It is.
The last time we had a discussion. Is there anyone after? Oh, yeah. When you get a chance. Thank you. The last time we were talking about studs not hanging in packs. And they still don't. We haven't had any success
Still
with that.
haven't. No. It just doesn't happen. Only on TV, only on the gram. I'm so sick of the stud memes on Instagram. It's like, where are these studs at? Do they only exist in La La Land? They must.
I need about 2 or 3 more fries.
Girl,
maybe 4.
Girl, told you I'm not eating all them fries. Nobody needs this many fries to themselves. Like, do you feel me? Unless you're just eating fries. Because I've done that before. I've gone to a fast food place and just ordered fries and got on.
Burgers and fries too. Put my bacon back in.
And God for this material.
Not even. Well, it wasn't ranch I spilled on it, was it? Okay, see now.
Someone ate my whole sandwich.
Right, this time we're just eating.
That was all damn right.
Oh, one more pepper, okay.
Look, I didn't know if it was any left.
Well, you don't want your food to end. It's so good.
If I could do the sandwich all over again, I would. Don't judge me. It was that legendary.
That was a good meal.
Now I'm starting to think, am I going to feel like eating later? Probably not. This is a lot of food.
It's pretty late.
Yeah, I'm like, what time is it? 4-ish?
It was like, yeah, 3:40. That should never be that good. But thanks for eating with us. We want to spare another fry?
Girl, why wouldn't I? Sharing is caring.
She's so sweet. My greedy ass. In all my videos, I'm eating everybody's food. Greedy Reka. Okay, this is it. I'm stuffed.
That's something I really should stop myself, but they're really good fries.
That BLT was so good. I would do that all over again too.
One more.
Well, we can't let these go to waste, can we? What?
Well, damn. Well, goddamn.
I want to stand and take it. Boom. Oh my. I'm low-key
I don't have like nothing but crumbs. This is a boob problem.
I low-key be forgetting we recording.
Nothing but freaking crumbs.
Thanks for rolling with me, y'all. This is raw and real. This food been so good, I've been like zoning out.
Yeah, I did a couple of times.
Just tearing up the food, you know?
This is my
We
happy
forgot a
place.
thumbnail and everything. So,
Yeah,
we
and all
gonna
of
have to do... Oh, shit. Let's just smell. Real.
Is that better? There we go.
Alright. Thanks for rolling with me. Peace. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified and really be rolling with Reka. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I forgot my tripod. We holding this up like this. But anyways, bye. Peace. Say peace, guys. Oh, bye. It's already on.
Hookley dokley.
Get the little thing in the middle. This is Long Beach. The city light of Sizzy. Oh, I'm gonna get this little island right here. Is that an island?
Oh God, I hate that laugh. I hated it.
And then I would do it.
Let's
Oh, it's a
see.
lot of people out here today.
It
Okay.
is.
Thank you, guys. There's a lot.
Are they selling stuff? What y'all selling?
The beach on Sunday. What they
They
selling?
selling stuff? That's
They
what
selling
y'all
stuff
got.
too? Or are they just out here?
Mm-mm. They had a sign. They selling stuff.
I don't know where I'm going this way. I guess how back.
Oh, it's just stuff going on at the beach.
Right, that's why it's packed like this. I ain't mad at it. I done passed them all the bars.
You sure enough did, but it's all right. We go, just go around, and I guess we'll get something pointing in the water this time.
Shit. Okay, so can you make a suggestion? Because I think I'm just a little bit too.
I'm looking.
Or I could go back over there, but the girl was scared.
Yeah, we can go back on that side because I know you don't want nobody staring and being nosy.
So like
fucking
right
up the
here.
concentration. Yeah. And then we get back in somewhere.
Are they gonna pass here? Okay, no, I'm older.
And then we get just to remind
Backing up.
back on in or something.